esithubeni with ukwanele namhlanje nisekhayelitsha endihleli nenqola yam jo like Lero the hustler zikhiphani nje yo
Easy vibes man.
yeah
Makhala.
yeah
Ngabe ndiyafeketa bandakhala man. Grand kanjani wena lapha?
ayisho bhuti man ndiyabulela ngoku-invite afethu like kwispace sakho man
Sure
yeah hlala wedwa apha kwisapho
nah bro hlala namajita
yeah
sibayi-2 sibayi-3 I mean
like zii-brothers zakho
ngamajita nesibhana nawo
ne
yeah
ayisho and family
FM khona nibachatile abanye base-Eastern Cape bona
yeah
everybody is
actually masiqale like from like because like I think like usuka from eJoburg most originally okanye like wakwahlala from eJoburg
yeah
like
I have fam that side from my mother's side so nakindaya pha it's just hustle man you know and obviously nebhola yabo so but things didn't go my way so I decided to come back home you know
so home like Khayelitsha Cape Town
yeah I was born here most yabo so this like now the privilege by the time I am in touch yabo ngise kulo mama yabo bayise apha kulo mama wakho apha kusekhaya apha kukokwenu yabo so yeah man
so kokwenu like kuse Cape Town kulo mama like kuse Eastern Cape like kulo tata like
so Eastern Cape
ayisho
so the reason I'm saying I had to come back home because I was born and raised here so nali khaya lami lazi pha kulo tatam pha kulo mama apha kusekhaya
I get you because ukhulele apha like yonke into
yazi ndiyenzile apha so when I went to choose be family all day yabo but we black nje crash also yabo because there's good grind you know so
like grind is in like were you hustling
yeah man zamuphila because I felt like after I lost my parents I felt like Cape Town was just dark for me you know?
Sorry man about your parents
yeah and I noko mntakwethu sendaqina yabo so I felt like Cape Town was very dark for me man yabo so I wanted to see something new yabo nje yabona can be away from sitting kwezitulo knowing uba nidla ngohlala apha nendihlala umama pha kuhlala utata pha and abantu abekho yabo so I was like let me just one because when phofu nentswelo ediskeni
yeah
okay na italent but now dilapha eKapa so let me just march yabo
so hustlisha ngedisk like eJozi okanye like it was music
disk span that time engakenzi ngumculo or it was just disk nespan bas khona ispan esivelayo yabo just to get something man you know
but I'm interested unangaphi ngelo xesha vele because like I think you're still young bro
that time besendiyirhotman god
yeah
yabo besendiyirhotman was around 22 years
and abazali bakho like baluze unangaphi
was 19 yeah I was 19 when I lost them
it must be crazy bro
yeah I was doing grade 11
you ngena njani grade 12 ke ngofethu with that pain of okay like you just lost your parents
yabona mfethu I would say mna yabo umuntu kayinjongile ngoba kusiyala makise the strong yabo nami ngumntu yabo mfethu banazo eza lapho flamaxesha ukuthi man ngoku ndikwi-lowest yam and I feel like bona yabo but I told myself ngela xesha yabo okay as much as ndiphansi yabo umoya wami phansi mandithi umoya wami phansi akho bazali yabo ndiyageleza I was like okay you know what's better the only thing ngoku yabo ekhoyo ujongene nayo yabo sisikolo yabo and then don't stress about the things you cannot change
yeah that's powerful bro
because if you start to stress about the things you cannot change izodileya le ibintle bekumele yenzeka because now most of the time when you have to be out hustlisha uhlele endlini because stress ba yanadiki anakutya anathini yabo so don't stress about that yazikho ngoku and azizuphinde zibuye zawinga umama notata abazuphinde babuye la privilege ubunayo ba ufuna iteki uzole inyanga okanye zethu uyifumane phelile ngoku yabo but uzokwenza ntoni ukuze ube nayo iteki you have to go outside and hustle azizuzela uhlele endlini yabo. So
But how do you hustle, bro? Like at 19, like semncane, bro. Like wazintoni nje yam.
mfethu, I don't wanna, but let me, yabo. So when I was 19, I was still at school, right? School escale up to a feeding scheme.
Ntoni?
Feeding scheme.
Feeling, yeah.
Yeah, so that's one of the reasons that made me bandivuke the school with, because if I didn't go to school, I want to have something to eat.
Damn, bro.
So after matric, that's when I decided to go to Jozi, because now I'm not going to school. So
Akho kutya nje yam. Yo,
Ntol.
bro. Yeah.
So when I was 19, I was making sure by every day ekuseni besengenani alarm besendizivukela
Yeah.
because ngitye ipapa ekuseni esikena khona ipapa ibethwayo then ngelunch siphakele esikhaftineni but ngelunch ngofuneke ndivane ezikhaftineni eziyi-2 xa ndisiya phaka icane endizoyicanda ngoku then ndibe necanda yaba xa ndibuya esikena late naye icanda
So ubufola kayi-2 nje yam.
bra siyazibonga umama somasi bayandazi. It was crazy, man. It was crazy, yabo.
Do you think like elagama lithi hustler fethu like ulifumene pha like from hustling from back then like esikolweni okanye like
Yeah, ever since I lost my parents, I told myself like say, no hustlish and then ndazibukela. Ngibona nto uyazibukela. Ndazibukela ndihustlish. Yabo. So elagama lisuka pha kahle kahle because yonke nayo mfethu ngoku from mandithi from ngilanyaka kuswele holiday time until now yonke nayo ndisihustlishele ngokwami ngizolusa ngokwami.
Damn, bro.
Yabo.
Damn, but tell me about that, bro. Like how was it, bro?
It's crazy, dog. It was crazy, my brother, bro, because I used to sell weed.
Yeah.
Yabo. And yanspanela somehow I was able to stash low weed ndayistashayabo. And then knowing uba amajita ayoluka ngalanyaka and kusikhulayo koko siring bayise ngalonyaka yabona uluka and then nami enqayi lulayo ibayo sokuluka ngalonyaka amajita akazoyishiya amajita. So I was like, I don't care noba umgidi wami akazofana nawabanye but as long as ndiyi-hot man ntola kanjani. And then ke ngoku aba bantu andikwazi ucompetition nabo kodwa banabazali mna anginabazali yabo but apha kum entloko I know uba I have abazali from
estratweni, yeah, bro.
And I know if ndithi ngoku I have this ndifuna ukuluka, I know bazofakelela kuluphi because andikhuliswanga only mos umama notata yabo. Xa bengekho abo phambi kwam besestratweni bakhona abazali abakwazi ukuthi hayi suwela umuntu usudlala ibhola. So abantu nabo bandikhulisile knowing bayayazi uba ndinabazali if I cry bazosabela. So it was Louis, but except bahlanganisa lo engikwaziyo ihlanganisa nenkwenzeka bro yabo yenkuye yenzeka grand so anginasikhalo yabo but something I know by iwe azizokwenzeka ngentando yakho yabo uThixo obonayo uba wenza njani but mna andiwisheli uba mhlaze nami umntanami angaze go through the same thing I went through yabo mfethu.
Yeah,
ngaze ndibe khona ngayisiya endabeni because phana endabeni I would see ama-time amajita but knowing uba hayi i-time ayikho.
Yeah, bro.
But deep down sendiyamkela uba these things I cannot change.
Like how was that like, bro? Like to accept the fact, okay, yo, now this happened, like so now I have to move on.
The best tool, bro, for the way just accept. I know sometimes pain can make you strong. Pain can destroy you. So we have two choices. Yabo. If you want to destroy, it's up to you. But khona intetho apha esiXhoseni ithi uzenzile akakhalela. Yabo. So naba bantu bebekuthanda uzabaluza because you're doing something wrong. And all. So ndayithatha la pain mna ndayisebenzisa in a positive way, you know.
Would you say that music okanye like uthathe ipain yakho yafaka music?
Yeah, music is the main thing because my first project is I made peace with my past. So I was basically speaking about the way sithetha ngayo ngokuba how did you make peace with that? You know, how did you move on? So in the project I was telling I knew uba I could use umculo to spread the message because ukhona omnye umuntu bra noba ndimazi mna who's going through what I'm going through, or who went through what I was going through, but angayazi uba uzoyi-escape kanjani.
Yeah, bro.
So if you play that person that song, mhlawumbe okanye that project, 1 or 2 songs izohita ba yes le man ilenzile yona nje sumandiphakame nam man.
Yeah, bro.
You understand?
That's
Noba
beautiful.
andenzanga ngela hlobo enze ngalo, but ndihasilishe because ii-hustles ziningi bro.
Yeah, but ngifuna ukubuza lo way kanye fit because like uhlala ekasi obvious fit like and like uyenze njani fit because xa uhlala ekasi it can be very easy fit ba uhasilishe ngendlela ezi-wrong fit.
Yeah.
So wena wenze njani fit ba ungahasilishe ngendlela eziningi mhlawumbe like ungarobi like yonke ezabo ifit yabo.
Because uyayazi uba ndiyahlala ezingwenya zirobhayo because
Yeah.
I chill with them.
Yeah.
Those niggas know my songs.
Yeah.
But wasekasi uyayazi mos. I don't like to use the name Para.
Yeah.
Because ngincane uclassifya umuntu bayoli para wena kanye intondona nincane la way. But lamajita awuse lamajita robhayo kanye angenziwe ezingakho grand ekhaya. Ndiyahlala nawo fit. Yabo like have conversation with them. Yabo and also give them my music. Bona bandimsendele kanye nimnike i-USB because lamajita ebusuku amanezibig. So they will play my sound.
Yeah, bro, that's smart.
Like they will play my sound. But lero ringa wizinda kapekasi, ringa ngochika, ringa ngotabane, bo.
It's like cred.
Yeah, like Choza Mile is one of la machita. Yabo. So yabo ngenzi track ngayo ngoku. So when that nigga heard that song, was like, except if I'm already, but he said, we say track ngam, choice, we mizuzu, we bola we. But said now, phuma kwa kutrongo nitibana, is like, except tango fit. Ebola uyenza la mntu umnika hope.
Yeah,
Ndithola
bro.
mfethu
Yeah,
andimskali
Like
yabo.
now uzozibona okay uyabona.
Yandithola kumani yami.
Like it's very important to feel seen, bro. Like
Yandithola.
yeah.
So ndiyakwazi ukohlula iway right for him ne-way engakho right for him. So I chose to do ways right for him. And then bona la bakuthiwa stereotype ungajongi. Bye. Aweropa mfethu khanda ukuyanga yenziwe izakho mojo. Yandithola. So just do your thing yabo mfethu and I knew uba nina backup.
Yeah, bro.
So ndizomosha. Zobanje. Zobhekela ngibani.
Yeah.
Bani ngizomfonela. Fonela umakazi bese Jozi. Fonela abantu e-Eastern Cape. Ebona ngola we ayizospana.
So xa uhlala namajit like awusela fit.
Zange labuki twala.
Oh, that's why. Because I was gonna ask.
Ngikhula nabantu abaselayo.
Like hey, like was ekasi kuyadijanisa manje like say ngikhopheni imali. Say like
yabona man, ngikhulile ekhaya bro. Hence since I was saying angikhuliswanga only ngabazali. Khulisiwe napha estradweni. And xa nisithi pha estradweni bakhona ma-hotman pha estradweni. Ngithola. Ma-hotman benisithi nami xa ngisiye shop back in the days. Ngisiya man tatsara. Ngifakile R1 man. Uyini kudira? Uzonika la hotman. Bayi kodini naso uhamba ucela irand eshop bona la we. So ndiyala we yabo. So xa kunkazathu if ndiyabona uba amajita asafa ngewezi esu isathi azethu bafethu man yabo sihleli mos yabo so la majita adinga le way
bro.
Ngithola so le way mangingaphakami xa banika qhwaba umuntu ngombama kuthatha ifone pha yabo uyothengiswa la ukuze bekhona la way because bear in mind nami ndihleli nabo xa ingene la tyala pha nami I'm part of that.
Yeah, bro.
I understand. So yeah man, and xa singanayo sinayo masihlaleni sixole bantakwethu. Need to go outside.
So like the transition from here to Joe like kwakunjani njani like
it's not easy. Joburg, I always tell this nigga that Joburg is not easy, bro.
Yeah.
I spent like 8 months in Joburg. Spent like 8 months.
We are spanner like what are you doing in that 18 months?
8 months. I got the Popeye. Yeah, hence I decided to come back home. Yeah, man, I got the Popeye, and there you meet different people, man. You know, different cultures. Yeah, bo la ukhwela itaxi, komba pe taxi, akwazi no conversate because awuvala ndithethwayo. Yeah, bo. I felt so lonely, man. It was like except ngathi akho umuntu engikwazi uconversate ngayo ngoba singakho grand yabo but benivuka ndiyohasilisha yabo like bona le kuma Mall of Africa ngifaka i-CV intoni yabo, kuthiwa kwi-trial ethile phaa, ndiye ndotrayela ndizame yabo, but there was nothing popping, man, yabo. So I felt like rather ndibe sekhaya, man. And you know xa I don't wanna andifuni uyibeka kanje le way, because I know uba umakazi wam lo bendihlala naye, even neencosi zakhe, they showed love to me, because akho mntu uzohlala nawe 8 months akondle ungenagalelo endlini okanye ungenantoni, umntu uyindoda. You understand? But they showed love, but I also felt like no man, iway azenzeki yabo, and then akho easy for bantu bendiphakame ndovula ifriji.
Yeah.
Akho mntu utshoyo.
Yeah, bro.
Understand la way mfethu.
Like because of that feeler nje.
Yeah. Akho mntu utshoyo uba siyoyivula ifriji, but nalawe uba man, 8 months inyanga ezi-8 le.
Yeah, isazela njani
khange ngike ndifake into efrijini, but manje ndiyovula ndikhuphe.
Yeah, bro.
And understand, so I was like, run ndibe sekhaya, man. Yabo. Run ndibe sekhaya, bra. Xa ndisekhaya ndizosafa. When I came back, ndafika amajidi sengumculo.
You remember your first song? Like where
I remember my first song, Peach recorded me that song, man. I was talking about my mother, bruh.
Yeah.
But the song didn't make it because we lost the project and PC crashed. But I think what made me to come back stronger was that that song didn't come out.
So I need to
go back to record, yabo. So
that's a hustling spirit.
Yeah. Yabo. So ndabuya amajidi sengumculo, and then that's when the whole thing started.
Yes, like benimamele project le bondlalela yona, like thetha kakhulu about ikhaya, bro, like the importance of ikhaya, bro, like tell me about that, bro. Why ucima family, like it's very important, but like uyazi uba usuka happy and all that.
Yabo, ndikhulele apha eKapa mna kuthi, yabo. So ndikhulelanga e-Eastern Cape, but I used to go to Eastern Cape every December. Bona xa kubalwa izikolo, family, car time, yabo, inekari siyabaya sifike e-Eastern Cape. So esiba ndikhula ndafanda inkqubo yase-Eastern Cape uba ykusehamba ndingumXhosa. Xa ndihleli namaXhosa ndiyabona indlela amaXhosa enza ngayo izinto. But trust ndingashoyanga isiXhosa that time. I was just observing uba kwenziwa so, but andikho interested to know uba bona kanye ndibe hands on. Bona I'm just sitting there observing uba okay kwenzeka kanje, okay sure. But uqala kwam ugoduka ndingumntu ongutata, uqala kwam uyizalele ndingumntu ongutata, that's when I found interest in into eyenzeka emaXhoseni. And then ndazifinda mna uba nguwe lo, xa ungumntu ongutata ezilalini wenza kanje, yanthola. And andizusokola ndisithi ndipreach isiduko sam, but xa kunokuthiwa khawundinike intsusa yaso okanye khawundinike ingcambu uba ngubani nobani nobani abazele ubani nobani ukuze kubekho ubani. Xa ungayazi loo nto awuzazi. And like I was saying to you ngosihleli phaa ibheka uba funeka uzazi uba usuka phi ukuze uzazi uba uyaphi. Xa ungazazi uba usuka phi awuzazi wena yourself. Ngoku bendisazana sisidura, ndikhulele eKapa, so ndihlala nabantu abaninzi abangazaziyo.
Cape Town.
Yabo, Cape Town. Umntu akazazi xa ubuza uba ungubani isiduko, ndani ngutolo, yabo. Xa uncokola naye ubuza ngoku isinyanya sakho ngubani, hayi andinaso isinyanya, kanti utolo yintoni. Laa nto uyandiva.
I hear you, bro.
And then kukho these white wedding. Ndinyathele ekhondweni katatam ndakuthi kona ndazixelela loo nto. Ihlobo utatam wenza ngalo lihlobo endenza ngalo.
Yeah, bro.
I don't do white weddings. Okanye andizuyenza into edibene ne-white.
Hey, uzoxabana nemedi yakho wena.
Story for another. Yabo. So izinto ezinje mani ukuzazi mani ingcambu wena mntakwethu, yabo.
Yeah, bro.
Because awuzuthi ungumXhosa mntakwethu, xa ndithetha nawe isiXhosa akho nto ongazaziyo ngesiXhosa.
Yeah. And then like imagine xa uphuma from like apha, let's say uya eAmerica or whatsoever, like and bekubuza ngesiXhosa, like and you can't answer because like awuzazi ezinye, like it's very strange.
But uthi ungumXhosa.
Yeah, I get you. I
Ndiyo,
get you,
mna.
bro.
So that's why I'm doing la way uba khawuhambe emane uyozilanda
Yeah.
uzazi xa ubuye eKapa kungoku uzawuyazi uba mna ndingeni kulaa building ndinesizathu uba kutheni ndingangeni kulaa building. Nantsiya indawo bemele ndingena kuyo. Laa nto ke ngoku uba funeka uzazi uba usuka phi, uzawuzazi ubuya phi.
Yeah, that's good. So like also like niyiqaphelayo fit like involve like culture like is different like ekhasi ezilalini ijozi like also like hlala nabantu aba-different personality is different bro like so how do you decide okay yeah ntoni uzoyifaka like music wakho like because like obviously inspirations ubundicela okay uzithatha everywhere bro like a book of it so how do you decide okay no this I can take this and put it in my music, this I can't take this
Khona iwe ethethwayo apha emculweni kuthiwa stika kwi-concept. Yeah, if I'm one of aba bantu banjalo. If ndithi buyela ekhaya, I'll make sure uba ndithethi ngenye into engaphandle kule concept. So andiyi ngobuntswempu.
Yeah.
If uvile phaa there's a song thi buyela ekhaya mna. Umsawawa ingwenya yalapha ekhaya, young man yalapha ekhaya. So andisipani naye kuba mhlawumbi ene-numbers okanye phofu akana-numbers. So nje ndiyacula nje. So I was like, I see talent, you know, because ndikhulele ekasi whereby bebekhona abantu bebeyenza le work ekasi but never opened doors for us. You know, so I know how it feels not to have studio or studio time. So if I see talent, okay mfethu, in order uba wena le way yakhe ingatsali kuze yenzeke, let me plug you on what I'm doing. Ikilisi yam seyinako ukukhanya, yabo. So ikilisi baza kubona apho nawe ke ngoku and then from there, yabo, uzoziqhubekekela. But I also want you to suffer.
Yeah. Hey, balulekile la wena.
We have to suffer. Uyifile my dog, yabo mfethu, because ifana noba yabo imoto yam andinamoto but imoto yam awunoyiqhuba njengemoto yakho.
Yeah bro. Yeah, facts.
You understand? Le yakho uzoyiqhuba wenze sure uba awufuni ungena kwi-potholes, awufuni uthini, because uyayazi uba usafe kanjani ukuze uthi uyithole laa mali yothenga laa moto.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
But xa ngayo yakho akandiboni mani ulero yabo. So ndinala mentality uba except not that abanye abantu abadala kunathi bebeyenza le apha ekhaya, it never opened doors for us. Nam andizuvulela ii-doors for abanye. So I'm also plugging people also. If only you're doing what I feel like, okay,
this is dope.
Yeah, and talented. So yeah, man.
Yeah, that's dope, man. That's dope. So like yabona isipana kwi-album fethu man, like and it's sounding beautiful bro. Like tell me about the album fethu buyela ekhaya njani.
Yeah, it's basically what we were talking about, because my last project was Umxhosa.
Yeah.
Now, Umxhosa strictly, I was just telling you by example. The Umxhosa, and I'm proud of that, you know. So, like, when I'm saying Umxhosa, I even went to Eastern Cape, you know, because the cover Umxhosa we born is the Eastern Cape.
Yeah, bro.
So that was the last time I went to Eastern Cape, you know. So ndibuyile eKapa ndenza izinto lakhuphuka, yabo. But kulo mkhuphuko wam ndafind man uba ndiyazifuna iintsikelelo. Ndiyafuna amathamsanqa. Ndiyafuna question yakho yokuqala besithi kum ngoku besiqala uthetha uba ndihlala nabani apha endlini. Ndathi kuwe. Yeah, the time I decided to go to Jozi bendinala way uba ndidla ngohlala umama phaa, ndidla ngohlala utata phaa. So laa mfudumalo ekhaya kutyiwe ngexesha eli-1, kubukela i-TV, kuncokolwe. Those are the things ingqondo yam ndiyazifuna man, because ndizawuhlala namajita unyaka wonke but amajita trust ngoDisemba azawugoduka.
Yeah bro.
Then ndenza ntoni mna ngoDisemba, yabo? I'm feeling lonely, yabo, yonke laa way, yabona. So you have to go back home, man, because everybody ngoDisemba most of the time abantu bayagoduka. Fika uyibamba nefam, yabo, laa mfudumalo yasekhayeni zizinto endixelele ngazo uba wena go back home, izinto endifuna uzifumana, yabo. So yeah man.
So do you see yourself now like uchata mhlawumbi like la set up or like
to be honest ngikhuliswe ngabazali abatshadileyo, so I told myself man bangikhula ndayithanda le image ndibonayo in front of my eyes and how my father was treating uLilam. Yabo, so ngizotshata mntakwethu. Time is right.
I wanted you to interview now. I think Tuesday. And then
Yeah.
I won't be okay. Yeah, Tuesday or Wednesday. I won't be okay. Yeah, like going somewhere with me. Yeah, but like tell me about that, bro. Like we have a good relationship.
To be honest,
Like as an artist, yeah, like obviously, like you always like.
you know
busy.
when you're dating someone who understands what you're doing, because the way manake usemwan they are doing music. So Puma.
Is it someone like a owaziwayo kanye like?
Don't do that.
Don't lie, bro.
Don't lie,
bro. Don't lie, bro.
I don't do that, man.
Zanga wacho like nomuntu like owaziwayo like.
Nah, I don't know her past.
No sencho wena like zanga wacho.
Mina-
usithi bana you don't do that like.
Nah, I've never dated someone who was wild, bro.
Ne?
Nah, I don't do that, man.
Yeah.
Never. And some people will say, hey bro, uyajola and yazi imiti yakho zange ndayibona, like imiti yami. Like imiti yami, bro.
Yeah.
And to advertise like anything.
Yeah, bro.
Like she's my queen, you know. So andizokwazi ba ngoku ndimbonise everybody ba nanku guys. Noba wena ungambona ke it is fine. Uzambona ngehlobo lakho, but mina ndizomadvertise. Yantona?
Yeah, also yeah, I feel like relationship is advertised too much as last.
So back to the question, man.
Yeah.
You know, when I was saying when you're dating someone who understands what you're doing and someone who knows what you're doing, knowing and understanding is baligile that way. Yabo. So sitibene then I find about okay uphuma kukhaya lusuku nami uphuma kukhaya lusuku, okay, oh le way endiyenzayo yomculo ikhona lapha kuwe, so it's not something new. You see ikhotmani yakho bayaphuma uyoperform ibhatalwe, you see ikhotmani yakho ithi be studio. So when I'm saying to you now I'm going to the gig, you're gonna understand but oh lo muntu artist ziphila kanje zimake in order for them to make money, you know. So and also the support
ibaluleke kangakanani lo way lenja like to find umuntu like who understand like what you doing, bro.
Yabo le nto esiyenzayo is not guaranteed by izosipana ngomso.
Yeah.
So if we have someone who understand if you're saying something, oh now I wanna go and do nails, can bhatalele yakho swap le veki, okay and wakho ngxaki isithando sami grand mhlawumbe, yabo benza umzekelo, yabo. So someone like that, yabo, like kanye mhlawumbe xa uswak wena no man ekuseni sekonini man, yabo avele naye, yabo, because I don't like one-sided relationship. I know by say singabantu abangotata yabo neke bona take my lady out,
bro.
But also akuzusokole kukho something.
Yeah.
If you're able to generate money from your side when things are not going my way, you should be there for me.
Yeah, bro.
When I need money to go for crazy shit is that your favorite couple imiti yami pretty ugly imiti yakhe.
Yeah, they are beautiful, bro.
What I like is that imiti ka pretty ugly used to pay you the time for pretty.
Yeah, bro.
So now she understands ngoba lero kufuneke iye ku-gig qha mhlawumbe ngoba akanamali kanye ufuna uyoshoota something or shoota nge-transport, okay mojo, and understand. So you need someone like that.
But umfumana njani ke fethu like do you think it's like it comes with the personality okanye like
it's crazy. It's crazy, man, because I've never dated someone like her.
Yeah.
I know people are different, but I'm not meeting Seli Chayi, but I always wanted someone like that. Most of me meet Sela and Sale. So khona bihambe klashane khona. Bizawuphinde ilungiswe yabo. So yeah, man, it happened. Mighty and bless, and then like she for keeps. You know? So, but I'm not saying bone abanye abafethu bebetheni yabo, like they play the role yabo yabo, and also banikhulisile in terms of knowing ba hey media sela yinje. So now I'm aware.
Yeah, bro.
You know,
yeah.
I'm aware. So Yeah, mfethu, it is what it is.
So how do you feel about like the culture of music, like a Cape Town, especially like hip hop, bro? Like, what do you think about like the state sayo ngosindaweni fethu xa ucinga?
Siyakhula mnakwethu, yabo. You know what 2 or 3 years back conversation namanye amajita yabo, namanye amajita enginisipana nawo uba ohlasela yabo. Like I said, I don't like what's happening in Cape Town in terms of uqophelana
Yeah, bro.
noSkalani.
Yeah.
Yabo, sebeka ngiskas uqophelana noSkalani. So collaboration over competition for me works. Yabo, if sihlale kasi one kube iziyana sipanela, why nokuvalela ngaphandle? Am I doing this for myself?
Yeah.
Or am I doing this to open doors for abanye? Yabo. So now in Cape Town ikhona la nisebenziswana. Ngithola. So ayikabikho fully, yabo, but ikhona iyadibana, yabo. Somewhere somehow sekhona ke niza egos. Indondolo, yabo, ba mina ndimkhulu kunawe nene-numbers khona zabe ziyaphila, yabo, but I'm not into that, mina.
But you like what you see now?
I like
the
what's
direction
happening.
Yeah, bro.
I like it.
Yeah, bro.
Yabo mfethu, I like it, my brother. Siyakhula, yabo. So that's very important to me.
Yeah, bro.
Because if sohlala endaweni eyi-one singakhuli, because abantu abaninzi yabo bajonge, yabo, bajonge like what I sent you, like the Malume Cricket thingy.
Tell me about that. Like, what happened, bro? Like, bona yese uzi status zikaMalume Cricket, bro.
Man,
Like,
bajongile, yabo mfethu, bajongile, yabo. And the crazy thing is that I also have a line ethi qhuba kambe bajongile, yabo. So to see such things is a big motivation for him, yabo mfethu. Like say I posted something then Malume Cricket was Peter Yasha wayijonga and shared.
I think collaboration with him, like you see, like in this panel, that maybe in future.
Yeah, I'm down. Like I said, collaboration over competition.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, bro. Collaboration over competition. That's the main thing. Yeah, bro. Like I see, but the main guy.
So who's your favorite, like up in Cape Town? Sorry to cut you, fit.
No, don't worry.
Who's your favorite up in Cape Town? Like
Cape Town. Not because she's my sister, but like ndiyaqina sisibani sakho F.
Like give me 5.
F. Mabuda Penga. That's my brother, man. Mabuda Penga. Babli, Tom. April Young. Hey, April Young. Yeah, April Young. Wesano ngathi ngibani? Wesano in Cape Town. I wanna go outside Cape Town now.
I know Cape Town, bro.
Cape
Town. You gotta do Cape Town, bro.
Wesano, Cape Town. Being favorite, Lura.
Yeah.
Yeah, Lura. I dig Lura, man. Next 5 I would say it's Lura, man.
Lura is so smart, bro.
Yeah, Lura is crazy.
Lura is so smart, bro.
Yeah. Lura, yeah. Yeah, last year number for the last installation was there, bro.
Yeah.
Crazy shit. We struggle to get transport bamba yombeka because Uber zingafuni ungena pha kwekhaya. So
yeah,
it's just crazy. But we ended up getting someone to drop him.
Yeah.
That's my brother, man. You know, it's like I'm in Cape Town. I'm good with everybody, man. You know, but yeah.
What do you like about UF? Like besides that, look, yeah, like cause like the reason why Nibuza, like it's because of like you said, like your sister Yako. Yeah. But I wanna like know besides like the fact that your sister Yako, like what do you like about her, like
persona?
Yeah.
Yeah. Not that persona we bona when emculweni la weba. Like when you're just chilling with your F and ungenza imculo no F and just having a conversation with her about how he answers the questions, how you think awuhleli umdala lo, and indlela sithetha ngayo isiXhosa, isiXhosa ndiyasithanda ke, so indlela sithetha ngayo isiXhosa iyandixoza.
Yeah, sure.
So and Eva, that's crazy, man. Eva just came to me and said, Alero, I wanna do hit. And I
Like
wanna
that's how you met her.
nah, been mad, because I would go to shows, kind of events, and then khona ngoma yami encanywayo into necebo. So when I'm performing, she would speak my verse apho phambi kwami njengoba ndiperforma yabo. So obviously soze ungamnotice umuntu onjalo yabo.
Yeah,
Most
bro.
of events xa ikhona noba wenza ntoni uzayeka lo uyafuna uzambe ufront ufuna undibonisa if yabo.
Yeah.
So saqala ke ngoku laa bond yabo uba kusetalero kuse-Eva grand mojo. And then when she started doing the TikTok thingy, posting poetry and ntoni, then I saw her khula ke ngoku, and then waqina isibindi wavela bayetalero, I wanna do a hit song. I wanna feature you. That's how we did it here, and then from there we're gone.
How do you feel like Kombona like a cooler bro? Like
I had that conversation with Spila a couple of days ago. I see you in city. Some people from like the outsiders, about Manditi fans, who ask me back. I say, I say, you, go to mall, TikTok, and I would smile about it because when she came and explained what she wanted and and then corner for her as a big brother, because she said things about business and party grand, but I was like, okay, at least know about background, everything, so I was like, at least I can do nice to give you a studio, mix and master for you until you get where you want, because and from the manage, I was just helping out, and the minute unceda abanye abantu banceda ngeentliziyo ezincolileyo. So mna I felt it because I know and understand, and it's even deeper than what I went through mna situation yakhe yabona. So I was like, let me put a hand, help out yabo, but anamali mntasekhaya. But what I know is that awuzuze studio xa ufuna ukutya kukhona ukutya ungatyi, awuzuza apha kum xa ufuna urekhoda sikhona istudio ungarekhodi, bona izinto ezinja. So to see her elevating kule ndawo kuyo, I'm super proud.
That's beautiful, bro.
I was not just helping to gain something also. Abe ndifuna abe grand. So xa grand, but one thing I know is that she will never, akho nto yenzeke life inga-F engayaziyo. And akho verse ka-F that's out there that I don't know mhlawumbe kanye, because most of you zakho zirekhoda apha kum.
So like the respect is that much, okay?
Eva calls me Talero, umlomo ugcwala.
That's dope. That's dope.
It's crazy.
So what's the planning of Ulero? Like, because I heard you talking about going to in a way different,
Yeah. The plan for this year is to travel as much as I can. Yabo. Ndingilaa mntu uba xa ndifuna into nayithi ingenzeki ndiyakhathazeka. So I don't wanna say kulo nyaka ndifuna uye Durban, Bloemfontein, ntoni ndizibale sigcwala apha kum eNqayi, ndiye xa zingenzeki ndingabikho grand. So I just wanna travel, but one place endifuna uya kuyo, like I said to you, it's Durban. I've never been to Durban. So and andincanywa leyo uba ndibe ngose-South Africa, but kukwi-province endingayaziyo.
But what do you like about it, Durban?
No, it's not like I like something because I don't know Durban. So I want to be there and see.
Yeah, bro. But kwenzekani
ndifuna ubaliselwa. Yabo, akho mntu onofika athi kumnandi eJozi, yabo. Kumnandi njani eJozi? This and this, all for wena, but for my experience Jozi was not
near the same.
So I know Jozi, yabo. If you Blom, I say I know Blom, Eastern Cape, I know, not West, I know about Cape Town. So I've never been to Debs. I don't know. I only hear about the city. I say Durban, I'm born. I say hi Durban, 10, but I've never been there. So I wanna be there.
So can you paint me a picture, bro, like of a successful Lero the Hustler, bro? Like, how does it look like, bro? Like uhlalapi, like udrive like motenjani, like
yabona ithama yami esweleke isithi ufuna uthenge inxiwe Western Cape. So ibinenjongo zoba mhla sagqiba isikolo sakwazi uzimela uthatha imali zayo yona
Yeah.
yohlala e-Eastern Cape. That's what I want.
Yeah, that's beautiful, bro. Yeah, that's beautiful.
That's
bro.
what I want.
Yeah.
Yabo. I wanna have everything in Eastern Cape.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know about Eastern Cape conways ngekhoyo. But me, a successful little the house and funa benento leyila backup apa Eastern Cape. Bene Wi-Fi, benento una ngastruggle network. Kubibhaki, athini, but abepa Eastern Cape benemfuyo. Because if you go to Eastern Cape, most of the crowd bookers namfuyo.
Yeah.
I want that. I wanna see.
Unimfuyo nje yam.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, that's dope, bro.
Yeah.
That's dope. Like it's actually like like inspiring, especially coming from an artist, bro. Because like I feel like the artist as he was his way anyways in
Yeah.
bro.
Yeah.
So like that's the successful layer, like Hlali Eastern Cape,
I
like
have everything.
Sa record okanye like
Mculo kana retirement, yebo. If I
Ne?
still feel like
yeah.
if I still feel like no, we're carry on.
Because when you mameli senye sound nje I am like a very beautiful sound. Like what you wanna okay in future you wanna is that the plan? Tell me about that sound, bro. Like,
yeah, conscious music ngiqale ngayo. I made Peace on My Past was too personal.
yeah.
Abanye abantu would say, hey brand kwazi imamela yanhlaba.
Yeah.
Yabo. But the message behind it was so nice.
Yeah.
And indlela engiyikhuphe ngayo, yabo. So I would say that's the sound. Yeah, I can rap, I rap. Not to say if mhlawumbe ufuna feature andizoyikunika, I'm gonna give you that, but I just want to do something that's gonna last, man. We ezokwazi umanyelwa nangubani na at any given time.
Yeah.
You know.
Do you have people that like ofuna ukuspana nabo like kulo music in like in future like
Java.
I hate this Java. Khona into like udlalele yona, bro. Like I just
Yeah.
hate this Java. Yo, it's Java. Yo,
Java,
perfect.
yeah, it's Java, New Sam.
Mm.
Koni sister of New Sam. I listen to New Sam a lot. It's crazy. Hlasela wakwafika pha kumamelo New Sam. He's like, ah, lero mamela le sound.
Yeah.
I'm like, this is a sound nezimina ngayo. Ngithanda umculo, ngithanda genre.
Why artists like zingamameli lo mculo like ezikwenzayo?
I don't wanna sound similar.
I
wanna be different as much as I can.
Yeah.
So, but I bump Cape Town music.
Yeah.
Like trust me, bro, I bump music. I know talks about dropping down. I know totally good dropping down. I know we make boys like the bar. I listen, but I'm not gonna say ngumculo ndimamela every day. You know, I have specific sound that I listen to when I'm alone. I was just chilling. I listen to this sound. I know New Sam is gonna take me back where I wanna be. So, but kanjena machita, I also listen to MT, Reese, Ban, another Ghost.
Are you inspired by MT Fit?
Yeah, ndakwethu lwangugama umsuthu ngimemela umuntu ngaba ikhonjo ngabaziyo kuphela.
I sure.
Yeah, ndakwethu in terms of storytelling.
Yeah.
That's the nigga.
He's dope, bro. He's my god, bro.
Yeah.
He's my god.
That's the nigga.
He's my god.
Yeah, so inspiration, yeah, man. Yeah, but and also inspiration comes from where I'm from.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, and inspiration le black vethu Khayelitsha A section because abantu abaninzi Khayelitsha bayazi ngehlobo labo because I was in Jozi the year I was in Jozi, so ndafaka iCV kwa sports scene. So what I forgot was to change the address. I forgot.
Yeah.
So fake le CV. Hey, le sister kayijonga. Ithe
What's a Khayelitsha?
Khayelitsha.
Yo.
Hey Khayelitsha. Kugcwele kuranti. Kusesaziwa ngaliwi.
Yeah.
Hayi. Kezo uyaboma neska angathi hey ngathi kanti ubaleke igula. Yabo bethu go on with the grand faith culture.
Yeah, bro.
Go on inside the grand culture. So to me, yan inspiration, bro, a lot, man.
I like the fact that I follow with it music.
Yeah.
Because music you speak a lot about kasi yako like nabantu around you.
Yeah.
It's inspiring. So your album yako fit, do you have a date fit okay I drop on Buyele Kai?
Buyele Kai is dropping on my birthday in 5 August.
For sure.
Yeah.
For sure.
So now next month, 28 February, I'm gonna drop Kupuka Part 2.
For sure. So how many songs are good?
Kupuka
Mm.
is 10 songs.
Bro. So like drop all on Jayam. And also like we drop on any music video, but do you ever rest in Jayam? Like
Uzoyithola kanjani uhlelo konini?
yeah.
Yeah. So you gotta feed them.
Is it a plan? Okay, always in Zakos being in music video or anything?
Most of the time I check how the song is doing on streams.
Yeah.
I believe if bathanda uyimamela kakhulu naxa ukhupha ividiyo bazayibukela because bona like yo ingoma yami yenzelwe ividiyo so I wanna see esi story lelo besithetha yabo. Because visuals to me, I won't say igama lengoma sesibane sekhaya but indlela ekoneni.
Yeah.
So I gotta show you apha kwividiyo uba xa ndisithi ndisesibane sekhaya xa kungekho umbane ekhaya cima isibane ndiphuma ndiyokwenza ntoni phandle. Uyibone laa nto uba oh nanke ibuya ngoku ithengile iglobe wayifaka. So and I'm also thinking about abantu abangevayo xa ndisenza ividiyo. Khona abantu abangavayo but bathanda ubukela i-TV.
Yeah, bro.
So xa ititle yengoma izobhala mina with a plan but laa mntu nje bengakuva kaboni nothing that has to do with the plan.
Yeah, bro.
You understand?
Yo, I struggle with that, bro. I'm music video njalo, bro.
So the low way.
Nah, that's beautiful.
So I check, okay, le ngoma yenza kakhulu on streams and then okay, let me shoot visuals for it, you know. Bayibone yabo. Obviously I'm not in a space to shoot everything, but yeah.
Because I feel like you're an artist in a music video means like Cape Town right now, especially Kylie, bro.
Yeah.
Like I can't think of any artist in a music video means now, bro.
You know, also when you have someone who's shooting next to you,
team,
it makes things easy.
But how do you find that someone?
So when shoot your shot is my brother.
Yeah, no, that nigga is working, bro.
Yeah, I've known him for some time, but we only solidify a relationship here too when we went to Jozi to shoot for a track Kasmiriti featuring me. And then it was like, Tep is there, about this Astep, Sponsor le Hodman Shusha. Then Sakwali Pass, it was a pass. And then Sahlala obviously in the same room, Sanogola, get to know him better, more, finding I okay, no. Example to the studio, say now I used to rap, in a rap.
Yeah.
Like when it's like we have voices studio, but except okay, bro, except no when you're shooter, the next studio when you wanna record, pull through, when I wanna shoot, boy.
Yeah, exchange like a
so resources.
Yeah, bro, that's dope.
So it's also fire when you're exchanging resources with someone ofuna le nto ifunayo.
Yeah, bro.
Unale hunger unayo, yabo. So yeah, man, since then I think we went to Jozi 2017. It's 2026 now, close to a decade now. It's a grand number.
Yeah, that's dope, bro.
Like we used to sleep in the same room, pants.
Yeah, Jozi kanye.
Yeah, so yeah, yo, not
so zenze kanyani mfethu because I always hear artists zithetha lo wethu.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
It's hustle, dog.
Yeah.
Afuna ufike kwi yomwe soft kayihambe smooth, hence as I was saying to you. Nikuyive.
Yeah, bro.
Never thought plan for you. And pays beat to like la successful little happen pays beat to lele kubhethi yami cinga yo eksena lale Jozi phansi kanilala kule bhethi ngake estate gate. So there, yeah. So nje nala mentality ba in order ba uma be successful afuna ngibe Jozi.
Yeah, njaya. Yeah, that's beautiful, bro.
Yeah.
Thank you, Faith, for being invited, Faith, man. I feel like it's not going to take me home, so true.
Yeah, man. Now shout outs, man, on what you're doing, man.
Yeah.
Like, send this book, this episodes up, yeah.
Yeah, bro.
On the previous one with Rapiza, my man, I will see you by way you were consistent. You and me a big bet, yeah. You gotta be, dog.
Yeah,
bro. Like you gotta be, dog. Alienza man pick up.
Yeah, bro.
Commit more pool. Yeah, bro. Ngayen like sikhona, bro. You know me. I know mhlambi someone mhlawumbe unofuna usibhekana naye but you don't have contact, yabona nje yabo njengoku la uba ukwazi umuntu umyela lapha ahlala khona is also fire.
Yeah, bro, because comfortable like.
Yeah, ufuna pha kuwe kanti ufuna uhlala subo. Yabona kanti lapha kuwe. So yeah man, just keep on doing what you're doing, bro.
Yeah,
Niyabona le way ndithetha bendisitsho ukwenza this is sport.
yeah,
So you don't know who's sitting there watching.
yeah, bro.
Mhlawumbe laa mntu njengoba usayiqala akazuza kuwe athi ngisekwile uyenzayo ufuna ukubukela bayise le nto uzoyenza uyephi.
Yeah, bro.
Kanye uzoyenza ungayiyeki because laa mntu kufuna xa ikuthatha ekuprezenta kwabanye abantu who might help on what you're doing, or mhlawumbe unezinto ostrugglisha kuyo xa beyijonga bekumbe isele mwenye bushike le mwenye 2 years senza le way using, and I believe in use what you have and do what you can.
Bro.
You start with nothing.
Yeah, bro.
If uzolinda to have everything, you're gonna delay.
Yeah.
Use what you have and do what you can. So ndiyaqina le uyenzayo mfethu yabo.
Yeah.
Bring whatever, your phone, yabo, mic. That's what you have at the moment. Yabo, ispanise la way umuntu makaxozakale le way ingathi ayibonakala grand. Le way ishayikhayo. Akomba amandla engwenya mna ngayibhila manje ifune le stabilizer.
Yeah, nje.
Yabo. So just keep on doing what you're doing, bro. Yabo. Mna ngomnye wabo umuntu who was just chilling and watching what you're doing. Yabo. Namhlanje yabo hlele suba YouTube.
Yeah, bro.
And it's crazy that I didn't say koyila masenze le way won bambi le yabo.
I thought it was on Zulisela, yes.
Nah, bro.
Yeah.
Nah, I don't do interviews.
Yeah.
So that they didn't say that. I don't do interviews because when I watch most interviews, baphele bekubuza about ezinye izinto wena ungazikopholile.
Yeah, bro.
So abanye abantu baphele bethethe iway ngoku umuntu uqoma yile bungayingeni but kusengoku ufake on tight khona waphela uthetha. So I don't like to do that.
Yeah.
But with you, I knew about Kwela knows me, I know Kwela. So that's a call,
yeah.
Like, yeah, I know you, like in the same room, I know so like I know I like what you're doing. I would also like to be part of what you're doing.
And I also have a list to get fit to abandon from platinum. Since you said okay, you like what I'm doing.
Yeah,
and you want to go make it.
Nah, bro, no problem. Like I said, let's do it so that when it's out, see share.
Yeah.
Nababandu bayibone oh Lero, because it's not easy sometimes to say ambola le Santos kumnandi pha ku Santos. Xa ufika pha ubone ngekho kumnandi ku Santos. Now we have a right to come back to Nuba yawo nibhanqile. But if bendlala ku Santos ndithi say yeah man phatho kureferisha kubani because I know ba umuntu uphathwa njani pha uzofika ufumane la way. I understand. So yeah man, just keep on doing what you're doing, my brother, man.
Thank you so much, bro.
It's a song, bro.
It's too big. Yo, wait,